Welcome to my natural hair journey. Today I'm going to show you how I style my fine thin hair, and we've already started out with our hair freshly washed using the Design Essential Almond and Avocado shampoo, which is sulfate free, and the Design Essentials Avocado and Almond conditioner, and these products are excellent for your natural hair. Now, after my wash, I always go in with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado leave-in conditioner. I take just a little bit on my hand, rub it in together, and I just focus on the ends of my hair first, making sure that they are fully hydrated, and I just go ahead and massage that all over my hair. And as you can see, my curls are already starting to pop. These products are highly recommended and excellent in my book. Now today I will be using heat, and so I'm going in with the Agave and Lavender Blow Drying Styling Primer just to make sure that my hair is protected, because I will be sitting up under the hair dryer, and heat is heat. And if you guys don't know, I had to cut my hair off about 3 weeks ago. I had severe heat damage, and so I'm basically starting over, and this is like a big chop for me. So I have a fresh start to make my hair healthy all over again. Now I'm going in with the Almond and Avocado Curling Enhancing Mousse by Design Essentials. I absolutely love this mousse. I just take a little bit at a time, saturate it in my hair, and just shingle the product with my fingers. I love this mousse. It's very lightweight, and all of these products just work together wonderfully. They just make your curls start to pop immediately. So after I've saturated my hair, I go in with my 3-tooth comb or brush or whatever it is. I love these little brushes, and I just kind of shingle it through and make sure the product is all the way in my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm stumbling on my words. You know what I mean. And just getting that product all in the hair. And so you can see my natural curls are already starting to pop with the mousse. And I love this mousse because I have such fine thin hair. It leaves my hair crunch less, and it allows me to have volume all throughout the day. So I don't like to finger coil my hair because it just makes my hair look thinner. So I just pop the mousse on and let my natural curls pop. I'm going in with my hair dye powder, hair shadow powder, just camouflaging my balding edges. I do have traction alopecia in the front, and this is a little technique that I do. I'll go ahead and put the product in, and then I'll just brush it. It doesn't matter if the mousse is there. It still kind of darkens up my edges and makes them look a little bit more pronounced, like I have edges. So I always do that. So you can see it just darkened up those edges, so it's not looking so bald around that area. And yes, on this side I could have like rubbed it off a little bit better, but it's all good. I'm learning how to do my natural hair. So I bought this hair dryer. I sit up under it for about 30 minutes, let my hair dry. And this has been one of the best purchases I've made, that hair dryer. Now I'm going in with this Shine Hair Mist, and it's very lightweight, something that's not going to weigh my hair down because it is fine and thin, but it just gives my curls a nice shine. And I love lightweight products on my hair right now because I'm looking for a little bit of volume. I'm coming out of these wigs, so I need a little bit of height. So look at those curls and how beautiful they are. My hair is not crunchy. I'm able to go in with the pick and just easily pick out my curls to give me a little bit of extra volume. And the curls just look so beautiful and juicy, and that's what I love. And I'm actually enjoying wearing my hair. It feels so lightweight, and I just feel so free. And so this is just one of the styles that I've been trying and experimenting with. So leave me a comment below and let me know what you think and what you would do different, how I could style this a lot better. Just look at the volume and the definition in the curls, and it's just a mousse, and your hair is left so hydrated. So yeah, this is basically it for the mousse. I love it. So Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with the next hairstyle. Catch you later. Bye.